Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. I'm going to be heading out really early in the morning for Frankensteiners Ball up in Isanti. And yeah, I got the spooky stuff out on the car. I didn't go with the self-adhesive like the window clings. They kind of took the paint off the one time, so I'm being a little more careful about that. So the next video will either be of me driving there or me pulling in there. But yeah, we're headed to Frankensteiners tomorrow. All right. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try to zoom in here. But that's the back entrance to the fairgrounds. Way over there. Across that field. Alright, so we've arrived, but we haven't arrived. Doesn't start for an hour and 15 minutes yet. Look at the cars lined up. All the way over there. I'm all the way across this cornfield that's been cut. Or actually, it was probably beans. And we're lined up here. So, yeah. It's just ridiculous.
But if I remember right, they don't open the gates early. They'll line everybody up. They opened the front gate. They were for the pre-register. Yeah. The way Minnesota weather is, I wouldn't pre-register. Last year, apparently, it was a mud hole. It was.
Well, we are getting closer.
Well, Bill and I made it to Frankensteiners, but it is raining, so I will wait till a little bit later, maybe when it stops sprinkling out, to get some video of the cars. Apologize, I haven't been filming much today. It was raining, and it's honestly probably just too big to film, and to really be honest, I make no money on videos of car shows lately, so YouTube, you guys don't watch them, or YouTube doesn't promote them, whatever it is. The other thing is there's a lot of kids here that I don't think people appreciate being filmed, so today's not a good day to video. I'll go over and see some other friends over here, see if we can get them on camera. Oh yeah, we did end up filling up all the way around the lake over there. You can see that, it filled up way over there. Yeah, this is a huge car show, kind of the last hurrah. Minnesota, it's kind of a gamble whether it's going to be snowing or not, so get out here and enjoy it while you can.
Mystery noise. Don't you just love the mystery noise?
Like I say, this car show is huge. A lot of kids out here, so they got music playing in the background here too, so try not to get too many kids on. Just want to show you, this is huge. If you get a chance, come down. I don't know why they play that annoying music. Maybe the people that organize the event will see this. Quit playing that. Nobody wants it blaring over that stupid speaker.
and get up.
Almost too much. It's cold to swim today.
Audrey, do you want corn or not? Audrey.
So yeah, we got cars all the way. You can see the blue smoke over there from the burnout cars all the way over there. It is completely filled up again. What an amazing show. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all those things. Frankensteiners Ball 20 will be next year. They post it on Facebook all the time, so come out and check it out. Again, so many kids, it's really hard to show everything, and they've got this annoying music playing, so just so many cars. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all those great things. See you in the next video.